And to the weather, and Tom, the current heatwave will linger for another few days.
Yeah, Lydia, it is not over yet. And while Sydney today was cooler due to easterly winds, this afternoon's maximum was still 3 above normal at 28. Penrith reached 32. Now, the top of the mountains peaked at 29. That was 6 above average, and that was due to a westerly returning to the ranges this afternoon. Today extends the run of above-average summer days to 15 for Sydney, and we still have another 4 on the forecast before cooler weather finally arrives from about Wednesday. Now, this morning's minimums were as much as 6 above average for the north, but fell to more comfortable levels across the south. The maximums today were as much as 8 above normal for the north and closer to average elsewhere. Now, the heat helped to generate some nasty storms this afternoon. Barraba was drenched by 39 millimetres in just 1 hour. Those storms have eased in the last hour, though. On the satellite, ex-tropical cyclone Jasper is still producing heavy rain over North Queensland. Cairns has now received more than 300 millimetres this week. On the chart tomorrow, following another hot day, this trough will then bring the next cool change. Now, around the country, heavy rain continues for Cairns and a severe storm is possible in Brisbane. The combination of heat and dry westerly winds will cause extreme fire dangers tomorrow from the Sydney region right up to the northern ranges. That's as temperatures climb well into the 30s across the north and the east. Now, there's the southerly. It's a slow-moving one. It will shift from Bega at sunrise to about Newcastle by about midnight. For the northeast then tomorrow, a warm to hot day, 36 for Newcastle, sunny across the south and the west, slight chance of storms for the mid-north coast, grading to a medium risk up near the Queensland border. For the southeast, a medium chance of showers on the south coast where the cool change will arrive in the morning. There's a slight chance of late showers for the Illawarra where the cool change will arrive in the afternoon. To the west, warm and mostly sunny for the south, but yet another hot day for the north, 39 degrees in Narrabri and Moree. On the waters, winds from 15 to 25 knots tomorrow and seas averaging 1 to 2 metres. Now for Sydney, well, the heat is on once again, a low of 20, then hot westerly winds, sending the top to 35 in the city and up to 38 in the outer west. Now, a sea breeze is likely on the coast in the afternoon, 29 for Bondi. That's ahead of a southerly change which should reach Sydney at around 8 p.m. The sun will rise at 5:38, it's setting at 8:04. And ahead, partly cloudy on Sunday. There's the slight chance of a shower, 27 to 29. It's warm Monday, 29 to 35 degrees, then hot Tuesday with showers and storms. That's before a cooler and showery weather really sets in the lead up to Christmas. But what about Christmas Day? Well, it's still 10 days out, but for a special day, I'm willing to stick my neck out and make a forecast. Now, currently, modelling indicates a relatively humid day, not too hot, and there is the chance of showers. I'm going for 24 in Sydney, 27 in Penrith, but of course, I'll update that forecast next week, Lydia.
Thanks, Tom, and that's all from ABC News. Enjoy the rest of your evening.